This is Jamaica Good Life. So now we're at Deli's. It's a pizza shop founded by a man from Brooklyn. See it here? Deli's Brick Oven Pizza. That's the number. So now that's the man over here, and this is the place. So when you come to St. Mary, near Deli's, you're Deli's.
Yes, my name is Deli.
Deli from New York City.
Well, I used to live there, so.
You used to live there.
Yeah, I'm Jamaican though, so I am 100% Jamaican.
Yes, and you started pizza making when?
I started it 5 years ago. I decided that I want to open a business, but I want to open something different. No, pizza is not different, but the way we do it is different. So what we did, we introduced the brick oven style pizza
To Jamaica.
to Jamaica, which is, there's one other brick oven place that's in Kingston, but I think they're more specialized in like patties and breads.
Who
and
taught
stuff
you
like
how
that.
to do this?
Part of my journey, I've been in the hotel business for a very long time.
Okay.
I've been in food and beverage for a very long time. So, you know, part of your journey, on your journey, you picked up bits and,
It's not an Italian
Pieces
girlfriend,
here.
is it?
well, I've dated European before, but not
Okay.
Italian.
Okay.
But I was fortunate enough to work with a lot of Italians during my time in the industry.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why St. Mary?
Well, St. Mary, I would say St. Mary chose me because I wasn't thinking to open the business in St. Mary. I was trying to get closer in the town, in Ocho Rios town,
Ocho
which is in
Rios.
St. Anne, but there was no spots available. So I decided to drive around to see what's available, and this place was available, and I just took it right away. That's
So this
it.
is like Tower Highs. Where do
This
you,
is
where do you call
St.
this?
Mary. This is like 10 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes out of Ochi.
And what's the name of the area?
So the name of the area is Caribbean Park, right? But we're very close to a lot of the resorts. We're close to a lot of the guest houses.
Okay.
We're close to a lot of Airbnbs.
So you get a lot of foreign
So
customers.
we get a lot of visitors.
So you're never not out of business. You're busy.
We are pretty busy around.
Yes.
When it comes down to holiday, we're even more busy. Like we're crazy, but we're pretty
Do you
busy.
have one assistant? What's your assistant name?
So,
Is that
so
a brother or
this is Dilo.
cousin?
So this is Dilo.
Dilo.
Dilo,
Are you on
Dilo,
the
say hello, say hello, Dilo.
Not the camera.
He's kind of shy.
Okay.
But he's very good at making the pizza. The thing about our restaurant is, even though we offer the authentic brick oven style pizza, we also have a pretty good menu as well.
Yes, you do
Yeah.
pretty nice oxtail.
So yeah, so we try to have a lot of the high-end local dishes like
Gotcha.
the oxtail and the curry goat and the pork chops and the pasta dishes.
Wow.
So yeah.
What time are you open?
So we're open from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m.
Yeah, so you're pretty busy. Well,
Yeah, we stay
congratulations,
busy.
a New
Thank you.
Yorker.
Thank you.
No, you said there's a secret to opening business in Jamaica. What's that formula, or just your method?
Okay, so my method is doing it the right way, which is before I even opened this business, I went and
Business
went to
license.
the Company Offices of Jamaica. I got a business license. Okay, so that enables you to pay taxes and all these other stuff. We have to be compliant with taxes. That will enable you to do a lot of business with the commercial banks, and and a lot of business with I would say like Coca-Cola or D&G or these
buy your
CPJ
products,
and
okay.
all these manufacturers. You can now do business with them. You can also do business with the government. Okay, and so that's pretty much one of the right way. You have to be compliant with your health certificates and stuff like that. Just doing it the right way. Just doing it the right way.
Find out how to do it. Do it the right way.
Do it the right way. Make sure you check with your zonings if you get, all your zonings and just making sure that all your certificates are valid.
So for people who say you can't come do business in Jamaica, crime and this, do you get anybody mishandling you? Like, give me my money, give me a little thing?
Okay, so the area in which you do business is also very important. So there's like crimes in certain areas. I'm not saying it's not in this area or everywhere in Jamaica because that's like the elephant in the room, right? But there's crime everywhere. But you have to do your business and market for a specific
Audience.
clientele. Right? So once you market for a specific clientele, I think you'll be fine. I think you'll be fine. Because note, Jamaica is still a developing country. So while a lot of Jamaicans are leaving Jamaica to seek opportunities elsewhere, foreigners are coming in
Start
seeking
businesses.
opportunities here because they realize that it's a developing country and it's developing fast.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So if you have a business idea that you want to start business in Jamaica, now is the right time to do it. Right? Do it the right way. Make sure it's properly done. Right? Hire the right people. You have to train as well because one of the things that kill a lot of small business is that they will say, oh, we cannot find people to work.
Yeah, so
That's
train them
true.
up.
That's true if you're looking for experienced people. Because the experienced people are probably not going to want to work for you because you're a startup. Train. Training. Development. They will get it.
And when they get it, you solve it. You have a good team.
Yeah?
Well, congratulations. I wish you
thank
all
you.
the best
Yeah.
from the heart. We know, being in Jamaica, to do anything, it's an uphill battle.
It is. But if you
know.
stick to it,
Because we're proud of you to open up a pizza shop from Brooklyn, New York. Where in Brooklyn you used to live?
well, it's not really Brooklyn. I used to be in Rosedale, Queens.
Queens, okay.
I'm familiar with Brooklyn though. I've been
Yeah.
to Brooklyn. I party in Brooklyn.
But you're a
I
Queens
party in
person.
Manhattan, yeah, but I used to live in Rosedale, Queens. Yeah.
So
That's
big
where
up
I
to
used
everyone from Queens.
Big
There's
up
an,
everyone
so them
from
come, they will
Queens.
come down,
Big
come
up
check
my
it.
friend, big up my friend Wang,
Wang.
Trisha. Yeah.
Yeah, man, they're gonna see
Yeah.
this. We're proud of you. Instead of Italians making pizza in Jamaica, you're supposed to, break the ground to show other Jamaicans anything is
Yeah,
possible.
we can make, because listen, when you work in a resort, you make all the dishes, right? It's not just Italian making Italian dishes.
Yes.
You go to the resort, it's not just Italian making Italian dishes
Definitely.
or Chinese making Chinese dishes. If you learn how to make these dishes,
Yeah.
it's okay for you to go ahead and
Start a
because
business.
listen, Chinese are not making Jamaican dishes. Italians are not making Jamaican dishes, right? Because the cuisine is worldwide.
Yes.
So if you can learn the cuisine and if you can do it, go ahead,
Yes.
right? Make it a business.
Make it a business.
That's what it is.
Well, congrats. I'm
Thank
Randy,
you.
Jamaica. Good
Appreciate
luck.
you. Thank
All
you.
right?
All right.
So I'm gonna push it out there for you.
Okay, all right.
So people, Deli's brick oven pizza restaurant. See that? See? And them have free Wi-Fi. So basically, my people, this is the spot, and there's a place people drink over there. Yeah, man. Have fun, live long, full joy on yourself.